Hello, everybody. This is Matt Fick from Financial Life Planners, and this is your stock market update for the week of May 26, 2026. Not a lot of new news in the market this week, but did want to give you an update on where we're at, where the S&P 500 is sitting, like I usually do, as well as what's going on with the Iranian war. A little bit of news there this morning, so I'll go ahead and share that with you guys. I'll start with a chart of the S&P 500. And since last week, a little bit of movement up. We had a couple down days last week, but right around, well, hitting all-time highs today, just over $7,500. Uh, you could see this pattern that we had earlier in the year, dip below the 200-day moving average, similar but not nearly as drastic to the V-shaped pattern that we had last year, and hoping to see a similar trajectory as last year as well. And we talked about how the conflict in Iran has negatively impacted the market, specifically in March when oil prices were rapidly increasing. The market was pulling back. The market has separated itself from the conflict in Iran, but there is still that underlying uncertainty. And there was news this morning when I woke up that they're getting close to a deal, working out a deal with Iran, but that seems to have flipped a little bit as there was more hostilities between the United States and Iran during today. That being said, oil prices are still down about 3% today, and down about 10% in the past week or so. That's still up about 60% since what we saw in February and March of this year. So ultimately, there's still a little bit of uncertainty there. We're hearing some sources saying they're getting close to a deal and then seeing actions of there still being conflict. But it seems like resolution might be heading in the right direction. Certainly, the market, which has separated itself or seems to have separated itself from the conflict, is heading in the right direction. And we are cautiously optimistic that it will continue to do so. That being said, that's all I really have for you guys this week. As always, feel free to reach out if you need anything from us, and I'll talk to you next week. All right, bye bye.